Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we will learn Excel formulas which include sum if and sum ifs. Let's get started. First start with sum function. This is very basic and common function in Excel. We can use this formula to find total numbers. I have sales data in my workbook. So to find the total units sold, I am going to use this sum formula. Let's begin. Type the formula here equals to sum. Select the formula from formula suggestion drop down and select the range from unit sold column. Close the bracket and press enter. As you can see, we have the total units sold, which is 1200. We can also use sum formula for the unadjacent cells by selecting the cells one by one. So let's see the example. Suppose we want to calculate the numbers which are not in the same range. I want to calculate the total obtained marks of these three subjects. So type the formula here equals to sum. Now select the numbers one by one by pressing the control key and press enter. Here we get the total marks. So remember, we can calculate numbers by selecting whole range as well as selecting the cells one by one. So now let's move on the SUMIF formula. As compared to SUMIF is used to add the cells specified by a given criteria or condition. Let's suppose I want to get the total sales of a specific product from the sales data. To find the sale on condition, we will use SUMIF formula. So type the formula here equals to SUMIF. Now select the criteria range. First, product column is a criteria range. Select complete column and fix this range by pressing F4. This step is very important to fix the range. Comma. Now select the criteria. I am going to select the cell J2, or you can also type the product name or criteria in the double quotes, comma. Now select the sum range, which is total sales column, and again after selecting the range, fix it by pressing the F4 key on your keyboard. Close the bracket and press enter. Here we get 0 because there is no value in criteria cell. When I type LED here, I get 3500 of sale for LED. To get the sales of other product, change the name in the reference cell. Or if you want to see all product result at once, so add the name below. And drag this formula down to the cell. This formula keep the criteria range and sum range fixed and only change the cell reference from J2 to J3, J4, J5 and so on. Now apply this formula on region column. To get the total sale of each region, type the formula here SUMIF. Now select the criteria range. This time criteria range is region column. So select the column D or select the specific range from D2 to D13. I prefer to select the whole column because when you add new data, the formula detect and update the result. After selecting the range, fix it. Now select criteria, which is I2, comma, select sum range. So select the column G and fix it. Now press enter. Type the name of region in the reference cell, East, and here we have the total sale of East region. To get the total sale of other regions like West, South and North, add name below and drag the formula. Now let's move on the SUMIF formula. Just like SUMIF, SUMIFS is also used to add the cells, but the difference is in SUMIF formula we have single condition or criteria, but SUMIFS we have multiple criteria and conditions. To find the total sale of LED from East region, we will use formula here. Type the formula equals to SUMIFS. Manually type or select the formula from the formula suggestion drop down. Select sum range. In SUMIF function, we choose sum range at the end, but here we will select sum range first. After selecting the sum range, fix it, comma, select criteria range 1, which is region column. Fix the range, comma. Now select criteria, which is East region, in cell I2, comma, criteria range 2, product column. Fix the range, comma, select criteria 2 in cell J2, press enter. So with the help of SUMIFS formula, we are able to get the LED sales from East region at once. To get other product sales from East region, type product name in cell J2, or if you want the result at once, so fix the criteria 1 cell and drag the formula down. You will see we get 0 for SSD and mouse because there is no product sale in East region from both of them. And that's all for today. We have explored how to use the SUMIF and SUMIFS formulas to perform basic to conditional operations in Excel. These formulas are powerful and can save your time when analyze the data. And if you want another detailed video on SUMIF and SUMIFS, so let me know in the comment below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.